I'm Cymyemidori and today we will check Ausnot. It's a 4-screen monitor, super easy to assemble, it looks like a Lego. It's fully customizable and you can create up to 15 different modes. That's incredible, right? Ausnot is very versatile. You can use just as a standard single monitor or combine the screens however you want and position them in the most convenient way for you.
I've been feeling down all night. You tell me it's alright, it's alright, alright, alright. So blue, shahadid in the pudding, but I know how deep it can be when you jump.
It's perfect for those people who need to increase your working spacing like me. Whether you are a streamer, work in an office, work with many datas, doesn't matter what you are and for what you use your computer. When you increase your working space, you increase your efficiency. That's so cool, right? But what impresses me the most is how easy to assemble it. It uses magnetic connections, so forget about all those annoying cables. With these magnetic connectors, it's easy to connect them. You just need to snap it in a place and boom, it's done. If you want to remove it, you just need to press the side buttons to release the monitor. These connectors also ensure precise alignment. Doesn't matter if you connect them horizontally, vertically or mixed. And the best part, these connectors not only connects the monitors but also provide power for all of them and also share the data without interruption. So you can use it as a separate screen or as an extended monitor for a massive display. And since the connectors shares the power and data, guess what? You just need one cable for data and one cable for the power for all these monitors. Yay! And I really hate cables. Every time I need to set up something with multiple screens is a nightmare. Let me show the trouble I have here in my studio. Look here, Osnot. Very beautiful, clean, aligned. There is not many cables. It's just a piece of art. And then look at this. I have 3 monitors and look what a mess. This made me crazy. Every time I need to move, I need to set up everything. And look how many cables there is here. And I don't even know which cable belongs to which monitor, and you need to remember one for the image and the other for the power, so at least 6 cables here. I also need to buy a special monitor stand that's not cheap at all. And this mess is not easy to clean. I didn't finish to install it just because I don't want to see these cables anymore. And here, what a difference! 1 cable for power and 1 cable for data for all the monitors. Very clean behind, organized. It's just a dream come true. And in my editing room is even worse. To put together 4 monitors, I need to buy a hub, and this little friend here is not cheap at all. With Osnot, forget all of that. And there is more. The connectors also let you adjust the screen angles for a more ergonomic and comfortable view. When you want to create some angle, you can pull it out and fold it. And when the display is already installed, it's even more easier to adjust. On the back of each screen includes a USB-C port to connect all 4 monitors with just 1 cable, a charging port, a power button to turn on and off, function button, you can use it to change some monitor settings, then brightness button. This is the monitor base. This is still a prototype, so it's not the final version, but you can see it can turn 360 degrees. You can also change the angle and adjust the monitor height. Just unscrew this part and then lock it again. And the stand is being refined to offer better stability when supporting the screens. But let me remind you guys, what I'm testing today is a prototype. So if you buy Ausnot, when you receive it, it might be slightly different from what you can see in this video. You can use as a single screen. Of course, this kind of size is big enough to work, but I must say, when you only have one screen to work and you want to open many files or many folders, you need to minimize this one, and then you need to find whatever you want to find to open another window. Maybe you want to open something else. Let's say, for example, I want to open and find some software. Everything starts to become pile. And it's not very convenient. It makes you spend a lot of time. 3 screens or 3 extra screens if you work with your notebook, it's a dream. And this is the ultimate setup. 4 screen or 4 extra screen if you count with your notebook. Now it's just a luxury. You can do whatever you want with that. There is unlimited working area for you guys. Me as a content creator, I would use one of these 2 main screens to edit my video and the other one to search for the video information. The other screen to check all my files to be easier to find and organize everything to put in my timeline. And this screen maybe use a ChatGPT to search for some information, or maybe even use this as a window player to play some videos. Let's say you work with financial and maybe you can use these 2 screens to check the live chart, answer some emails, and also check some news. If you work in an office, you can use one window to read your emails, another one to open your message windows, for example, one to create the files and check everything, and the other window you can use it to make your searches. If you are a streamer, for example, you can use one of them to play your games and the other one to check how is the live control. The other screen you can just check how it's online for everybody. For example, here I can see the live quality is not very good, and the other screen you can just leave it empty to open something that you want to share during your lives. And what about compatibility? You don't need to worry because it can work with Mac, Windows system, and also Android 5.0 or later. But for Android, you can only work with one monitor. Okay, but nothing that I mentioned before would matter if the screen quality was not good. But let me tell you something. One screen has 18.5 inches Full HD resolution, 1000:1 contrast ratio, and 60 Hz for refresh rate. The color and definition of these screens is good. You can check it by yourself.
요즘 내 일기가 재미없어진 이유를 찾았어. I've been wasting all this time finding words to let go. Cause I'm looking for Neverland, backtracking on memory lanes, hoping it's not just a wonder. I can't be watching, waiting for changes, wondering for the right time. Cause I noticed we came to a pavement that crumbled.
So my conclusion, I really love Osnot because it's really easy to assemble, easy to change the position to match your working flow. It saves money with cable, monitor standard, hubs and many other things, and also save you a lot of troubles because it's use less cable, it will take less time for you to assemble everything and less time to clean too. So don't forget, if you like Osnot, the link will be in the description. For me, it's a game changer. If I know there is something like this before, I would change my monitor and save a lot of troubles every time I need to move to a new place. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new content. See you in the next video. Bye bye!